So viewers, welcome to JMC. In this episode we are going to tell you about what are the basic things needed to start a workshop. So let's get started. First of all, you need an open place. At least you should have a place where there's a parking space of 2 to 3 vehicles and a working space of 2 vehicles. So this is my space. I have a service station inside it, and there are some rooms to store the luggage and everything. And here is our working space, and I have a lot of parking space. I have almost the parking space of 20 vehicles. So this is all my parking space. And the other thing you need for denting is the oxygen cylinder. This is the oxygen cylinder, and here is the gas which is used along with the oxygen. And then you need a person to work with. Here is my denter, and he's currently working on a project which was a minibus before, and now we are converting it to a mini truck. So viewers, these are the basic tools which I need in denting. I'm going to explain you one by one what things these are. So first of all, these are the forming dollies which are used to shape the little parts which are inside the car, and these are the hammers which are used in denting usually. These are smaller hammers which are in which one side is sharp and other is plain, like this, a square usually. And these are the forming dollies. They are usually used to make a bend, or they're used for a lot of purposes. We're gonna teach you in upcoming videos. So these are the pincers. These are usually used to hold the two pieces together or hold a hot piece or whatever. This is the bigger scissor which are used in denting. It is used to cut the metallic pieces. And then after that you have, these are the angles. These are the bigger hammers which are used to shape the bigger parts outside the car, and this is usually a railway line, but we use it for forming purposes, bending purposes outside the car. And these are some other common mechanical tools which are you're going to need in denting. So these are all the tools which are used in denting, and in upcoming video we are going to teach you about all of them one by one, all inshallah.
Yeah. I don't even know what else to say. I'm gonna let that 808 right out.